Hi Dan, I'm just going to run through some of the things that I've been doing here so that you know how to apply the new settings, and hopefully um, these will represent a genuine benefit to you. Do of course let me have your feedback on any tweaks or improvements that you think could be made to this to make it better for you. So let's kick this off then. So with the floor layout tool, I'm going to open this up, and I've put in a decking standard here, and I'll explain why now. So there are two things in here which are critical. So one of them is this layer, which is the profile. Obviously, you can set that to your profiles and just save it as decking and overwrite the other one. The really critical one here is the pack marks. So for this to work properly, I need you to make sure that the pack designations are placed in these prefixes here. Okay, and you'll see why as we go through. So let's do a few packs then. So pack one, I'll just do here in the bottom right, like this. Pack two is going to be up here. And let's do a third pack just for fun. That one there, and across to here. So I now need to change these pack designations in here. So I'll change this one to 2, like that, make sure that took. Yep, good. And pack 3 here. Feel free to change this format if to whatever suits you best, but it is critical that this is correct, that this is used. Right, so we've got that. The last thing that we need to do in the model is to change the class of these elements here and here and here. Now these are my start sheets. Okay, so what I need to change is the color, and I need to change that to a 2. Okay, and again, that will become clear when I show you the drawing. Okay, so let's redraw that. Let's do a numbering. Let's have a look at the drawing. So change it to plan view. Go to my drawings, GA. Use the 3D view, that's fine. It doesn't matter what template you use, so you can use your own if you want. I'm just going to use this A1 floor plan. I'm going to load that in, apply that, and I'm going to create that drawing now. So that's how it looks by default. So obviously you'll set this to use your drawing layout. The important piece of information that I've included now is here in the edit settings here. So I've got a set of rules for decking drawings now. So decking GA, let's load that and let's see how that looks. So you can see that I've changed the object representations so that you've got regular sheets and then your start sheet. And you'll also notice that the pack mark is coming through automatically, and that is the reason it's critical to make sure that the pack mark is correct in the component when you put it in. Okay. So the other piece that we've got here, which is good, which is useful, which I've had created, is found in the ungrouped items. Now I've supplied the installation. I'll give you some information on where to put that. So it's bundle mark. So you run this, and you've got to pick the panels in the mark. So you pick this one, this one, this one, that one, all the sheets, okay, like this. And then you've got to interrupt it. Okay, so I'll do that with the escape key. And then you're going to put in the pack indicator, the pack line, whatever you call it. Put that in, and you'll see what it's done is it's counted the number of objects and then put their total length on it. The only thing you will need to do is to change the outline to suit whatever you want, like that, and you can reposition that. If you really want to, you can work out the angle and things like that. But I have fed that back to the guy that wrote this piece of programming for me to ask him whether we can get that to automatically orientate to the line. But hopefully what you can see here is that with a few simple-ish settings and a little bit of tweaking, that we've actually got something which is actually pretty good and should help you a lot. So yeah, do give me your feedback. I'll send you over this information, and we'll go from there. Thanks, Dan.